Welcome to N-ToyWorld. Popit toy. Hi, I am Nidal.
I am Zehak.
This is our new toy, Popit or pushpop. What is Popit?
The Popit or pushpop fidget toy is a toy that helps relieve stress and anxiety. It can develop brain power.
It can also be used as a game. How to play? The game needs 2 players.
The first player chooses a row and pops as many bubbles as they want.
The second player does the same.
They keep taking turns until the last bubble.
The player pop last is the loser. Game over. Thanks for watching N-ToyWorld. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.